Hi everybody, Andrea Mayeski here with Clean Eating Without Sacrifice with Epicure. So it is now actually October the 2nd, so I didn't have enough time to do the video yesterday, but I wanted to show you guys our amazing holiday baking collection. I have already had 3 orders and this stuff always sells out. I've been selling Epicure for about a year now, and I remember last year we had a similar special and it sold out within a week, I believe. So if you want this, time to order, because honestly, for Christmas, for the holidays, we bake more like cookies, cakes, anything chocolate. And this chocolate's actually the healthy chocolate. You know, they always say the more what's the word I'm looking for, the higher the percentage of like actual chocolate in there, it is a lot healthier for you. So think like pure chocolate. This is pure chocolate. Plus you will get all of this chocolate chips, pure cocoa, and also healthy baking powder. If you look at the baking powder from the store, especially the no-name stuff, if you look on the back, read the label, it is horrible for you. They add things in there that you can't pronounce. That's never a good thing. It should be pure always. Epicure is all pure. So you want to order this. It is only $49 for all of this. That's amazing. So if you would like to order it, let me know. It is from October 1st to the 31st, but while supplies last. It sold out last time in about a week, maybe 2. I can't remember, sorry, but it will sell out fast. So if this is something you would like, let me know. I will leave the link to my website on the bottom. If you have any questions, I am happy to help, and happy holidays. Thank you guys so much.